Um, what is good, boys? Day 64. Um, yeah, I don't know. I'm lucky like filming myself. I'm actually like back in the mode and shit. We're gonna be teeing up. Today is a back testing day. So, I don't know why I don't like having these when I'm recording for some reason. Just because of like the glare. Can't see me for. But yes, today is a back testing day. Every day is a back testing day. So let's go. Let's talk about the things that are happening today. Other than today was Thanksgiving. Today's Thanksgiving. We have some good news about Top Step. Look at that. Look at how fucking beautiful that looks. No activation fee. Fucking amazing. No activation fee. Because motherfuckers around here are not trying to pay that shit. No activation fee. Today's Thanksgiving. Let's look at markets. Let's see how markets have been moving while on a holiday. I will in the middle of this video have to go get some water because I ran out down here. Monad has been tanking down a lot. But I think we will take out these highs by literally this weekend in a way. Alright. Alright, Nikola has to have one of the worst fucking. I think we take out that high by literally Friday or some shit. Maybe tomorrow, honestly. It's not too hard. Yeah, it's just a new investment. Doge is it's at 15. We pumped on what was it? Wednesday. Yeah, we had a little pump up to like 16-ish cents. No, we pumped over here, yeah. Uh, Nasdaq open this morning. I mean, it's just been consolidating, so we're not too worried. Nasdaq has been looking a little crazy recently. This is Nikola's chart. I don't know how I kind of fuck with this chart too. Honestly, I'm not ain't gonna lie. But yeah, other than that, I mean, I will be listening to music in these, so I will be like listening to music off my phone while staying dialed in, so I can actually just feel good and shit while I'm doing this shit. I need to turn it down though, that's for sure. That's definitely something. It's like lower volume now. But yeah, you guys can see kind of how like it actually is to like for me to like actually lock the fuck in. I'm gonna try forgetting that I'm even recording. That's probably the best bet that I could have is like forget that I'm recording and absolutely hop into flow state. I do have turkey cooking, so whenever that's done, I will go eat. But then I'll be back testing again. I probably won't record all that, but I will say is I'm trying to probably get into some TikToks. I want to build myself some relevance now. Now, cause I'm absolutely fucking locking the fuck in. Every single time I'm locking the fuck in again. Like, look at just for like, yeah, getting respect. But um, every single time I had this, the lock in or whatever the fuck you want to say, getting back into the flow state. I start something crazy. Or I want to say I start something crazy, but every single time I start something like new and good. Like I started this channel. I've been starting this channel, but I've been starting to like upload daily. And Marco, my boy, who has like 1,000, almost 2,000 subs, almost 1,000 people in this cooking me, bro. He didn't tell me to start journaling, but he always told me about the YouTube videos. Like, right here we could show. I think. Is it here? Is it on this one? Same friends posted up in the same ends. We could plug him a little bit and shit. Where the fuck? Alright, beyond the point. He's been like, day one and shit. I started creating content because of him. Because he told me to and shit. But yeah, these videos are because I just started, bro. This is crazy, bro. And now I'm, just day trading and shit. But yeah, I like this short form content shit. I love short form content. Like this shit. Then we have, let's go to shorts. Like this one was really fire to film. All these are like, alright, these are just clips. But I don't know. I just love, content, honestly. And I fuck with like having some music in the background. With no music, I feel like I'm just like not locked in and shit. Yeah, other than that, I am about to go into a lock in. You guys are gonna see how I lock in. I would have a coffee right now, honestly. I low key do want to go get a coffee. I high key want to go get a coffee. When I go get my water, I'll probably go get a coffee. There we go. Yeah, when I go get a water, I'll probably make a coffee real quick. So it'll probably be like a minute-ish break from in the video. Yeah, acne, like. But beyond that point, let's get into this shit. Dude, this shit's fucking me so hard. This camera, bro. I low-key just like might say fuck off to the camera. Just forgot if it's in the way again. Alright. Overall looking bullish. We're looking to take out highs. We already took out highs technically. Pre-market. Let's play it out. Market's open in an hour technically. Let the shit play out. Here market's open. We go down to the downside. Do we take out that low? Yes, we do. We take out one low. Create an order block. So we take out that low, we create another order block. Honestly, we're looking bullish, so I think we're looking to create newer highs. I think we go in here off of... Actually, no, not yet. We tap into all fair value gets to select liquidity. And here we target highs now. We have our stop loss off of that low. And what I've been recently trying to do is go for a 1 to 1.5 ratio, honestly. Like a 1 to 2, 1 to 1.5. That's a 2-3. So we could, if we want to, we could have it at this low. That's where I was gonna initially put it. So can we do that? It's a 1 to 4. It's right there, pretty much. I think, yeah. We could take it above this high a little bit, just to meet that 1 to 5 ratio. So what do we get here? We get it pushed down a little bit. We break that low again. So we literally just shit ourselves. That's valid. That happens. Okay, we sort that lows. Are we still tanking lows is the question. Market's open. Bang. That's very bearish. I think we're gonna go for those lows. Oh my god. We have this liquidity pool, bro. I guess the sweet spot this low right here. There's that sweep. You see, this is iffy as fuck. Do we get stopped out right here? I'm not gonna lie, I think we get stopped out literally right here. What do we get here? Do we have too tight of a stop loss? No, okay. So, market went the opposite way. Volog kilos under the floor. Oh my god, price action. What the fuck? Open the Lamborghini, just say. Das Leben Leverkusen laten. What the fuck? Alright, we're obviously bearish as fuck. We need to follow the fucking meta. Liquidity, break structure, equilibrium, fair value gap, border blocks. Can't think of anything else. Sage. Oh, we filled all of that. Oh, we took out that high. And there we go. We don't trade. Does it take out that low? Ooh, ooh. Well, there we go. That gives us the ultimate sell-off. Alright, the reason I say that gives the ultimate sell-off is because literally we have a fat wick up and then we have a fat wick down. Alright, fat wick up, fat wick down. What is that? That could be an order block. We tapped into the order block. Technically, he trips. Because you could say like this is the order block if you want to say that. But, and to me, like, alright, in my head, obviously, I was like, I'm not. Hole's got the scandalous. Alright, so what we have is like the order block here. These two fat wicks right here, and then we see that this one tapped all the way into this box that we have. You could say like all the way up here. I mean, that's pretty obvious. It's like order block. But to me, when this one also tapped in, it's kind of obvious that we're gonna sell off. We're probably gonna have even more sell-offs, all the way down to previous areas of liquidity. Areas of liquidity right there. Areas of liquidity down here. Areas of liquidity down here. So So let's see if it gives us anything else. Now we're consolidating because it's 2 p.m. I should probably go like news on these days. And actually, that's what I will do. Which is 2025. July 21st, 2025. Still a pretty boy I'm talking, not me schmach. July 21st. Still a pretty boy I'm talking, not me schmach. Yeah, you see, now we have full backtesting aura. Okay. Back fitting right now, rocking any colors. So we have no news. Powell speaks on that, bro. Literally, like, this is what I mean. How the fuck are you, like, bro? We're upgrading the backtesting matter, bro. But okay. So we have Tuesday. Powell speaks 7:30. Let's see how that reacts. 22nd. Powell speaks at 7:30. Let's see how fucking crazy it dumps at 7:30. Next candle. Probably speaks in like a couple minutes. See how volatile it is. Markets open and bank. Wow. And that just tells us to absolutely fucking previous targets of liquidity. A pretty boy I'm told, you know, Mishma. We have 1, 2. Pretty boy. We're in Asia. We're just getting closer. Pretty good trade. That's why I need to be looking at news while I'm backtesting, because literally I could have got fucked in the ass. Imagine I took a long there without looking. Ah. It's 5 o'clock. I don't even know what time my turkey's gonna be done, bro. Gotta snap the hose and shit. Gotta stay distracted. But yeah, I mean, I'm looking trying to get lean right now. Dude. Ah. Dude, I'll probably just like honestly just start doing this from now on. These might be the videos actually from now on. It's either me and a trade or me back. Well, actually, for now, it's gonna be me just back testing. So, but I will say is I do need to take. Damn. When I go upstairs, I'm gonna grab water. I'm gonna grab a coffee and take a piss. Or but yeah, I went to the gym this morning and shit. So. Last night everybody was at the club. Blackout Wednesday, fucking brah. Hey, me and Nicole were just chilling and shit. We grinded and shit. So, there's a difference. Yeah. It's kind of sad that everybody's just going out. Blackout Wednesday. Hey, how about you go fucking make some fucking bread, bro? I'm getting BP like I'm Curry, LeBron. We sold off a lot. It's the 23rd. The 23rd, we have JPY. We have 9 a.m. Existing home else. President Trump speaks at 9 a.m. Skip forward to 9 a.m. when news drops. Damn! 9 a.m. drops. We definitely take out this low. We might just. I think we target previous areas of liquidity with this. 9:30 we have news. How's that candle? I think we. What time does Trump speak at? 4. I just don't see a setup here. Got too late in the day. We just tapped into the Fair Value Gap. It's Thursday. Unemployment claims. This is a hella volatile day. We have news at 7:30 in the morning for unemployment claims. Shits itself, probably. We tapped in. I think that's our move to break instruction. We swept liquidity. We have main TP all the way on the bottom. Every day amazing. Fuck it like I'm crazy. We have stop loss at the top here. We have first pull of liquidity off that because we can see it pulled in here. So that's one, and then we could have a third one off of this. Do we not see how many times I almost wicked out? Did we just have a shitty stop loss? We were in that trade for too long. Way too long. Alright, question is, if I get a funded, no activation fee, am I tripping? Because right now, looking at markets, let's look at markets here real quick. Total life, Uziar. Obviously, we don't want to trade these markets. But I will say Asia is a possible trading. We do have good amount of news to take, all these lows out. What I will say is we do have a high volatility. Take out this high, and then fill in these voids. That just the imbalance.
The market is open.
So here goes Asia. So I take a long. Alright, that's the video. I'm gonna go buy a fund and put it in a long.